Today we're going to have a look at the Mother's Headlight Restoration Kit that includes a microfiber cloth, a polishing solution, the Power Ball by Mother's, and also some scrubbing pads, sanding pads, if your headlights are pretty heavily oxidized. Here's the headlight before. As you can see, it's clearly pretty well damaged, and we're going to take a look and see if we require just one step of the polishing treatment or if we need to go all the way and use the polishing ball as well as the sanding pads to make this headlight get clearer. So did the Mother's headlight restoration system work? If we take a look at the before and after shots here, I think that you'll agree that it did work really well with a minimum amount of effort. And if the headlight was more damaged, I'm pretty sure we would have been able to straighten it out as well with the additional sanding pads that came with the kit as well. Thank you very much for watching.